This is Silverstack Lab. Okay, so it's a pretty daunting interface, and I think it's quite expensive to get this. And it may be beyond some people's requirements because it's an offload tool. You can see up here, it's got QC, color, all sorts of weird and wonderful things that that you probably don't need on a day-to-day basis. Anyway, so let's just do the proxy part of it, which is supposed to be good. This is probably, mainly a tool that a DIT would use on set. So I'm not going to offload. I'm just going to add some clips into this and transcode them. And I've got the test version here, the trial version, so it's going to give me some stuff. Anyway, so let's just find some test footage. I've got some in this test page folder. I've got some Komodo files and some. Is it going to let me do it? I'll take the Komodo files, pull those in, and it's telling me I've got clips to add to the library. Yeah, okay, I'll add them in because it creates big project-based things. So it creates libraries and everything. Anyway, it's got a watermark on it now. So what I need to do is create proxies. So what you do is select your material, and up here it's got a button called transcode. If I hit that, it can do all sorts of things. So I can transcode it into one file per clip, which is what you normally want to do, or combine the clips into a single file with multiple clips. We don't want to do that. Okay, so let's just do individual. And then it comes up with a way to choose them. The one shows us what we've got selected. There's the R3D files, it's red. Choose media for it, and then go continue. And then it gives you a load of templates. If you click on here, look at that. There it is. It gives you templates of what you can choose to do. So it's got a proxy one here, but it's also got, straight to editorial, over to Avid, 720p, whatever you want to do here. So let's select proxy and it'll create ProRes 422 proxies at 1080, 1920 by 1080. There we go. And then here, it's badly labeled, it's where I want to send them. So it tells you all the metadata that's coming over. And then I can go up here and choose actually what I'm going to put it in a folder called Silverstack. I've got some B-roll bits and bobs in there. And then click OK. So I'm going to transcode. It's going to go over to this drive and click Start Render Job.